What is YouTube automation? YouTube automation refers to the process of creating and managing a YouTube channel with minimal direct involvement by automating various tasks, such as content creation, video editing, uploading, and promotion. The goal is to streamline repetitive tasks, increase efficiency, and, often, to scale the production of videos to generate passive income. Here's a breakdown of what YouTube automation involves. Key components of YouTube automation. Content creation. Instead of manually creating each video, many creators automate the process by outsourcing video production or using AI tools. Tools like Pictory or Lumen 5 can convert articles or text into videos automatically by pairing them with stock footage or visuals. Scriptwriting can be automated using AI like ChatGPT, or outsourced to freelance writers. Voiceover automation. AI-based voiceover tools like Speechelo or Synthesia generate natural-sounding voiceovers from text, removing the need to hire voice actors. Video editing. Many tasks in video editing, such as adding captions, transitions, or effects, can be automated using software like Adobe Premiere, Scripts, or through hiring editors on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Thumbnail and SEO optimization. Thumbnails are crucial for attracting viewers. Automated thumbnail creation tools like Canva templates can streamline the process. SEO optimization for video titles, tags, and descriptions can be automated with tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ, helping to improve search visibility. Video scheduling and posting. YouTube's built-in scheduling allows for videos to be uploaded and published at specific times automatically. Tools like Hootsuite or Later can schedule social media promotions of your videos across platforms. Benefits of YouTube automation. Time-saving. Automation reduces the manual effort involved in creating and managing a YouTube channel. Scalability. Channels can produce more content consistently, potentially leading to faster growth. Consistency. Automation tools ensure a steady content schedule without delays, keeping the audience engaged. Earning with YouTube automation. While YouTube automation saves time and effort, you can still generate revenue through YouTube Partner Program, ad revenue. Affiliate marketing by promoting products and earning commissions. Sponsorship deals by working with brands. Selling merchandise through platforms like Teespring. In short, YouTube automation allows creators to scale their operations while minimizing their involvement in repetitive tasks. This makes it easier to run a YouTube channel more efficiently, enabling higher output and, potentially, greater revenue. How to start YouTube automation and how I'll earn by YouTube. Please verify step by step. To start YouTube automation and earn from it, you need to follow a systematic process. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Step 1. Choose a niche. Select a topic, identify a niche you're interested in or that has potential for growth, e.g., tech reviews, fitness, finance, travel, etc. Research your audience, understand your target audience and their preferences. Check competition, look at popular channels in your niche to see what's working. Step 2. Content planning and automation strategy. Automation concept. YouTube automation typically involves outsourcing or automating tasks like content creation, editing, and marketing to reduce manual efforts. Types of automation. Video creation automation. Use tools like Pictory, InVideo, or Lumen 5 to turn articles or scripts into videos. Voiceover automation. AI tools like Synthesia or Descript can create voiceovers automatically. Editing and uploading. Automate video editing with tools like Adobe Premiere Pro, Scripts, or hire editors via Fiverr or Upwork. Scriptwriting. Outsource scriptwriting or use AI tools, like ChatGPT, to generate scripts. Step 3. Set up your YouTube channel. Create a YouTube account. Sign into YouTube with your Google account. Optimize your channel. Channel name. Make it niche-specific or brand-oriented. Channel art. Design professional banners and logos using tools like Canva or Adobe Spark. Channel description. Write a clear description of what your channel is about. Add links. Link to your social media or website. Step 4. Content creation and uploading. Create consistent content, aim for quality and regular posting, e.g., weekly or bi-weekly. Automate repetitive tasks. Scheduling. Use YouTube's built-in scheduling feature or tools like TubeBuddy to automate video uploads at specific times. SEO optimization. Automate keyword research using tools like vidIQ or TubeBuddy for titles, descriptions, and tags. Step 5. Monetization. How to earn money. Meet YouTube's monetization criteria. 1,000 subscribers. 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. Apply for the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. Once you meet the criteria, apply to monetize your content via ads. Ad revenue. Earn from ads shown before/during your videos, via Google AdSense. Types of ads: skippable, non-skippable, bumper ads, etc. Step 6. Explore other income streams. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services in your videos and earn commissions through affiliate links, e.g., Amazon affiliate. Sponsorships. Partner with brands to feature their products in exchange for payment. Merchandise. Sell branded merchandise to your audience via platforms like Teespring or Spreadshop. Memberships and Super Chats. YouTube offers a channel membership feature and Super Chats for live streams to earn from fan contributions. Step 7. Promote your channel. Social media. Share your videos on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or TikTok. Collaborations. Work with other YouTubers in your niche. SEO optimization. Use keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve visibility. Step 8. Analyze and scale. Analytics. Monitor YouTube analytics for insights into video performance, audience retention, and engagement. Scale up. Once your channel starts growing, reinvest earnings in better content creation tools, team members, or additional automation tools to scale the process. By setting up efficient automation, you can reduce manual labor, post content consistently, and earn revenue from ads, affiliates, and other streams.